Hi everyone, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela. If you are all here, welcome back. If you are new, thank you for clicking on this video. On this channel, I share important and legit ways to make money online. In this video, I have come up with a newly developed site that you can actually make money by clicking on ads and watching YouTube videos and doing other micro tasks on the site to make money online. This site is known as Clicklancers. Clicklancers is a newly developed site that you can actually make money by signing up, clicking on ads, watching videos, and doing other micro tasks on the site, and you make money. So I'm just going to go ahead to share my screen with you to walk you through the sign up process and how you can actually make money on this site. And before I share my screen with you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do so by clicking on that red subscribe button below this video. Equally turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. As you can see on your screen here, this is Clicklancers. And Clicklancers, I'm going to leave the link on this video's description, or you click on clicklancers.com on your browser. They say Clicklancers is a new micro tax platform that will pay you for watching ads and completing micro tax, while advertisers can also promote their websites and videos and earn up to $120 daily. As you can see, this is their official website right here. This is their official website. I'm just going to go over to the right hand side of my screen and I click on sign up. So I'm just going to show you how to sign up for an account and perform tasks. After you click on sign up, go ahead and enter your details, your email, your password, your username and all the like. Go ahead and enter a 4-digit secret pin. Then after you are done with that, you click on register. When you click on register, it's going to lead you to this dashboard section, as you can see. So when you click on the upgrade section, so that you can see the different levels in which this site function with. There are 8 different levels. This is the first level, the second level, the third level, up to the pro level. As you can see here, this is the freelancers account. The minimum cash out is $15. So these are the different levels: $39, $95, $220, $450, $600, $850, and $1,200. As you can see here, with the free level, you have just 3 ads to click per day, and the maximum daily payout is $50, and the first minimum payout is $15. So you have just 3 ads to click per day. You have just 3 ads to click on, and you earn 4 cents for each ad that you click. So 3 times 4 cents is equals to 1.20 cents. So that's what we are going to be making each and every day. So they say you have just a maximum of 3 videos to watch per day. So the higher the levels you are, so with the first level, you need to buy it with $39, and the maximum daily payout is $1,000, and the withdrawal times per day is 3 times. You can withdraw 3 times a day, and you have up to 4 videos to click per day. The same 40 cents per day. So this is the first level, which you need to purchase it with $39, up to the pro level, which you need $1,200 in order to attain the pro level, and the maximum payout for the day is $20,000, as you can see. And you have 6 times to withdraw your money per day, and you have 58 different ads to watch or videos to watch per day, and each video that you watch is equals to 8 cents, as you can see right here. When you just sign up for an account with Clicklancers, you are at the freelancer level, or the free level, where you have just 3 ads to click per day. But it should be noted that since this site is a new site that has just been developed, it is advisable not to upgrade to a certain level, so that you should not lose your money should in case there is anything in the future. So as you can see, these are the different levels in which you need to go ahead and upgrade to. Each of the ads that you click for the free version is 40 cents. Minimum payout for newbies, for people that have just signed up, is $15. And you have just, if you sign up for the free account, you have just 10 days, and the 10 days you are limited to just 3 ads per day. So it is actually limited, because there is no way for you to take 10 days and make $15 in which you need to cash out. It is obligatory for you to upgrade to the next level in order to be able to cash out. As I earlier said, with the freelancers account, which is the free account, you have just 3 videos per day to click on, and you watch the full video to make 4 cents. As you can see, these are the 3 videos to make 4 cents per day that you need to do. So just click on start earning, then you click on watch to earn. As you can see, it will lead you to this section, and on this section there are so many ads, as you can see here, but you are only entitled to 3 of the ads since you sign up as with a free for the free account. So you are only entitled to 3 ads to click here per day, and you have just 10 days, and this free account will expire. So just click on where you have play. When you click on play, then as you can see here, this is a YouTube video. You can see the YouTube logo on it. All you need to do is to see how it marks here. Then you click on the video, then you watch the video till the end, then the money will be credited to your account. So it's going to take like 15 seconds, and you make the first 4 cents. This is for the first ad that I've clicked. So I'm just going to click on the other ads, and you see the total money that has been added to my account. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this other video. Then as you can see, I have clicked all the 3 ads for the day. I have fast forwarded and clicked all the 3 ads. As you can see, this is 1.2 cents that I've made on this side by clicking ads, and I'm only entitled to 3 ads per day since I signed up with a free account and I haven't upgraded to another level. So this is how much you can actually make per day. This is how much you can actually make per day with a free account. Since this site is still a new site, it is advisable not to upgrade with so much money, since this site is still to be tested and be proven. So it's good that if you are upgrading, you can upgrade to the first, second to the 3rd level, and you earn at that level. And as the days go by, we are going to be testing the site to see how reliable the site may be in the long run. If you find any value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. Equally, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. See you in the next one.